Andy, let's go. Zandy, let's go.
We're supposed to go in the clean pond. Come on, let's go.
This is our baby milkshake, just swinging in a swing, giving no care of the world.
Okay. Hello. Hello. He likes it. Yummy. What is that, Aku?
Do you like the carrot?
Where's the beef?
Hannah, what are you doing on the bed? Huh? Are you smiling? Huh?
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are. Do you have a permission slip?
Ruby, do you like your ice cream?
Lifestyle of the rich and famous dog. I'll take my drink. Delivered to me, please.
Hi, baby. Oh.
Out cold.
So okay, my that's right. Pretty bad.
Kirby, you chilling?
Hey, chill, dog. Chill.
Too cool, dog.
One more time, boo boo. Good swimming.
Who likes watermelon? Good girl. Dun 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 dun.
Hi. You can come here. Come on.
Here you go.
Look at goats. So good.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Very good swimming. Look at you go. Cool. What a big swimmer. So good. Look at you.
That's so sweet.
Is that good? Is that good? So what's that?
Have you come to say hi? Have you? Have you come to say hello? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.